Let me show you how to make authentic tofu patty from scratch. No fancy equipment, just patience and perfect technique. Start the night before by soaking 100 grams of soybeans in water. By morning, they will have plant milk ready for transformation. Drain them and blend with fresh water until you have got a creamy pearl liquid. This is your raw soy milk. Now the therapeutic part. Pour the mixture through cheesecloth, squeezing every last drop of that precious soy milk into your pot. What remains are the dry pulp. Save it for composting or cooking. Gently heat the soy milk over medium-low, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon. Watch closely as it develops that distinctive piney aroma. We are looking for small bubbles around the edges, not a rolling wine. Remove from heat and let it cool just slightly. Here's the magic ingredient. Dissolve a small packet of tofu latte powder in cool water. Pour your warm soy milk over this mixture. Give it one gentle stir, then walk away for 15 minutes. No picking. What forms is nothing short of alchemy. Velvety custard with that perfect chicken. Top it sweet or savory, but first marvel at how something so luxurious came from such simple ingredients.